in the tropics without having to go anywhere. He had no appetite for adventure.
I like my shell. It keeps me safe.
Where would turtles be without their shells? They'd be awesome lizards.
But when his summer takes
Stay as far away from your Uncle Frankie as possible.
I have an uncle? I have an uncle? I have an uncle?
I have an uncle?
he'll spend it with the family he never knew.
Benvenuto a Brooklyn! I'm young Frank! This phone?
Ain't your business.
Capiche? Understand? Understand? Live a life he never dreamed. Why don't you just hear my podcast? My friends.
My partners in crime?
Would you?
And meet some new friends.
Pretty soon.
I'm Donna.
I ate grilled cheese off the radiator instead.
Just picking something up.